Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today we're diving into one of the most hotly anticipated performance cars of the year, the 2025 Subaru WRX STI. This isn't just another sports sedan, it's a rally legend reborn. Let's break down what makes this car a thrill machine and why it's still a fan favorite after decades. Subaru's design team didn't hold back. The 2025 WRX STI rocks a wider, meaner stance with flared fenders, a massive hexagonal grille and C-shaped LED headlights that scream aggression. The hood scoop isn't just for show, it feeds air to the intercooler, while the rear diffuser and quad exhausts hint at the power lurking underneath. Check out those 19-inch BBS forged wheels wrapped in sticky Dunlop Sport Max tires. Behind them you've got Brembo 6-piston calipers gripping massive discs, perfect for reining in all that power. Step inside, it's all business. The STI gets heavily bolstered Recaro seats with Alcantara inserts to keep you planted during hard cornering. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels perfect in your hands, and guess what? Subaru finally upgraded the infotainment to a 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more clunky old systems. Under the hood, the STI's heart remains a 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4, but for 2025 Subaru's engineers squeezed out 345 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this thing launches like a rocket. The legendary Symmetrical AWD system is back now with a sharper active torque vectoring setup. Throw it into a corner and the STI digs in like a pit bull. And with adjustable drive modes Comfort, Sport and Track, you can go from daily driver to track monster in seconds. Upgraded Bilstein dampers and a stiffer chassis keep the ride planted. Subaru even shaved weight with aluminum components, making this the most nimble STI yet. So why pick the STI over its rivals? First, that rally pedigree. Few cars deliver this level of mechanical engagement. Second, the Symmetrical AWD system is unbeatable in slippery conditions. Third, Subaru kept the manual transmission alive here, which is a dying breed. And finally, it's a practical daily driver with Subaru's reputation for reliability. The 2025 Subaru WRX STI isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for drivers who want raw power, razor-sharp handling and a connection to asphalt that few cars can match. Sure, it's not the most refined or luxurious, but that's not the point. This is about passion, not pampering. If you're craving a true driver's car that can handle the school run and a track day, the STI is your answer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, keep driving fast and stay sideways.